This is a quick introduction to one of the powerful features of the control panel program. You can use this program to control your TetraColors device, which controls your display that's attached to that device. The panel match feature is a very powerful one, and it doesn't require any color expertise or color management experience to do it. You can match two display panels you have on your PC, or match your laptop display to an external display, or match your display only to an sRGB or Adobe color gamut, which is one of the standard color gamuts. I'm assuming that your display has a wider gamut than any other target. If your display has a wider gamut than sRGB or AdobeRGB, then you can match those color gamuts. Let's make an example. I'm using this panel match feature, just 2 clicks. If I don't have the colorimeters attached to my device, I can type the information here myself, but I have one connected, which is Spider 4, so I can use it by launching this dialog here, and simply 2 clicks and I will pick up the information from the display. It will rotate through some samples to collect the information, and it will draw a shape of your gamut on the right side of this dialog. As you can see here, this display gamut is wider than sRGB and Adobe RGB. We are done here, and you can see that the information was placed in your dialog here, and you are done. You can save this information for further use. As an example, I will save it as my display 1, for example, gamut. I'll just go next to the other step, the next step, which is the one that makes you select sRGB or Adobe or Rec 709. You can use them with the standard numbers like that, so it's grayed here, you don't have to edit anything. Or you can select sRGB and then custom, so you have ability to change those numbers to adjust them in any way you want. We will use the sRGB standard numbers, and we will simply say please match, and it will tell you that the blue color has a little bit of the gamut, so you can continue anyway. It will have less than 100% matching, but it will be almost 99 plus something percent. So click yes, and you can save it as, let's say, sRGB, it's a file name, and it will ask you to assign it to one of the 5 color spaces you have in your device. So I will assign it to color space 1, and it will be applied right away on the screen. Currently the screen is in sRGB color gamut. How you can make sure of that? One thing that you can toggle between that color space and the default, and you can see the difference visually on the screen. Or you can simply use the colorimeter again to, as an example, figure out the shape of your gamut and if it matches the sRGB or not.